Hi, today I'll show you how to enter boot mode on Motorola Moto G5S. Let's turn off our Motorola. Then let's press and hold power key and volume down button. That's all. That's actually the boot mode. Here you can use volume buttons to navigate and use power key to confirm your choice. Let's choose start and press the power key. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.